Thousands of individuals are about to become millionaires, and this opportunity happens once every 4 years. Let me show you guys something. No, not this. This. That is called the Bitcoin halving. The last time it happened was back in 2020. Whenever this has happened in the past, the value of Bitcoin goes up through the roof. For example, right after this last Bitcoin halving in May 2020, Bitcoin went up like crazy and I made about $60,000 during the bull run. Because you all are my family and you made me who I am, I will be showing you guys this strategy. Just keep it. The next Bitcoin halving is about 200 days from now. Once this happens, it is expected that Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market will take off again. Guess what? The smart ones have strategically positioned themselves for the next Bitcoin halving. Now, how do you do that? I won't tell you guys what to do, but personally, this is how I am preparing for the next Bitcoin halving by searching for utility tokens. Because in my own opinion, utility tokens have actual value. For example, Decentraland, and that's why it did 10,000% gain. That's crazy. But guess what? I found a better one, and it is called Yolva. And we all know this for a fact. People who make the most money from crypto are those individuals who get into a project on time, and guess what? Yolva has not even been launched yet. Yolva token is actually offering a wide array of utility for their investors. This will actually provide a profitable opportunities. As an investor, you can also stake your tokens and earn rewards. By staking, you are also providing a steady stream of income. Yolva offers a secure transaction, and you as an investor, you also earn from transaction fees. This also contributes to the liquidity pools, ensuring a profitable environment for token holders. You as an investor, you can shape the future of Yolva by participating in governance decisions. By participating in the governance decision, this will potentially increase the value of your tokens. This is actually the best part. You can earn interest from Yolva and access liquidity without selling your assets. It's mind-blowing. Yolva is all about maximizing profits while retaining ownership. Now let's talk about the tokenomics. Yolva has a max supply of 100 million tokens with a 2% buy task and a 2% sell task, which goes direct to the staking pool automatically as a reward to users who stake their Yolva token. This is just mind-blowing. If this is not a good project, then I wonder what is. I have invested a good sum of money into Yolva project, and this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research. This is just my own strategy of positioning myself for the next Bitcoin halving. I want you to understand that you are responsible for your own investment and decision. If you understand the root foundation of blockchain technology, then you can check out their website on yolva.finance. For those individuals who already know how to use DEX, which is decentralized exchange, by going to their website, then you would know how to purchase the Yolva token on Pinkcell. But for those individuals who do not understand DEX and they don't know how to navigate on DEX, then you can hit the link in my profile. Join the Yolva community and also join my own community. I'll be making a step-by-step video that guides you through the process on how you can purchase this Yolva token on Pinkcell. See you on the inside.